What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. After putting this off for like a good year, I'm finally doing my wig sale. The wigs are on sale now on my Big Cartel site, which is linked in the description box for you guys. And here's some of the rules. This is a US only based sale for shipping purposes. Please make sure you are using an address that is reliable for you to get your packages dropped off, because if I get packages returned, which that did happen last time I did a sale, somebody's package kept getting returned because they weren't home. I'm not shipping multiple times, you know what I'm saying? I'll ship a second time and you will have to pay for that shipping, or I can give you your money back, and that does have about a 3-day limit for you to let me know and we can get that handled for you. All sales are final unless it's like what we discussed before, where your package actually gets returned. All wigs are in good condition, have just been worn once really for review. They have been customized, so some do have a little bit of wear and tear in it, but nothing noticeable. If it was really noticeable, I wouldn't sell it to you guys. It's been a minute, so I have a ton of human hair and synthetic wigs that I have reviewed over the past year and some change that need a new home. They need to leave me. Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or send me an email at xoxowigsale@gmail.com. Other than that, happy shopping.